We just arrived to Sepang Waterfall. Sepang Waterfall. It was very cloudy yesterday. It's like semi-cloudy today. We're hoping like as time passes, this almost starts to peak out. So the entrance fee for 2 people total is 30,000 rupiah, which converts to barely $2 in USD. These stairs are so steep. I feel like it's kind of common with all of the stairs that we've been climbing down to get to certain destinations.
Amazonian jump.
So we finally made it past the trail to get to the waterfall. There's a little bit of a line to get to that waterfall. So while our tour guide is waiting in place for us, and we're going to take some pictures up here on the rocks because it's just perfectly shining like where the sun is. So yeah. Waterfall was absolutely gorgeous. We didn't spend too much time because it is a line to get to it and there's lots of people waiting. There's a little bit of tension between a couple of other guests earlier for taking too long, so we don't want to cause any problems, so we're in and out. But definitely a must-see, preferably around like 10, 11 a.m. so you can get like the sunlight like inside of the photo, like to shine inside of the waterfall. Yeah. Some guests came yesterday and they came a little bit before 9 or around 9, and they said it was very, very cloudy and the photos weren't so great. So if you want like the perfect sunlight in your photo, or at least close to perfect, or at least just not too dark period, then probably come like after 10. At least that's what the locals say. Like around here, that's probably the best time. On the other side of the Undercave waterfall is like a much smaller waterfall, but still very beautiful. Literally, instead of walking to like the left of the stairs, just walk to the right. You can do it in either order. It's much brighter because it's not under the cave. destination today will be the Tibumana Waterfall. Oh, not Cheese Waterfalls. Tibumana Waterfall. So, although we said we were only going to stop at 2 waterfalls, we stopped at one that was actually on the way. It's like 10 minutes apart from the next one that we're going to. This one's called Tapong Yongpo.
Canto Lampo.
Canto
Lampo.
This one's called Canto Yongpo. I can't say it.
Canto Lampo.
Canto Lampo.
Canto Lampo.
Canto Lampo. This one's called Canto Lampo. For the win. So this one's like 10 minutes apart from the next one that we're going to. So our tour drivers. Yeah, basically. The entrance fee at Kampong Lampo is 20,000 per person, which is still just under $3 if you convert to USD. Not expensive at all. Almost there. If you listen close, you can hear the water. Ain't that right?
I can't hear anything. My stomach is too loud right now.
You're so hungry. Beautiful, very crowded, but beautiful, and also very cold. But that's expected. No.
Extremely slippery too.
Yes. Some lady.
Focus on my breathing right now.
Oh. Some lady like totally like
I'm trying my best.
slipped.
For monkeys.
Okay, that's where we stop the video.
Oh, okay.
This will be our last waterfall for this video, and then we will continue this trip in another video so it's not too long. But for now, let's just gaze on this view. We have arrived in Tibumana Waterfall. We will continue this trip in another video so it's not too long. But for now, let's just gaze on this view.
You have to stand up straight right now. It's hot as hell. No matter what we do, we cannot warm up. If I have to be honest with you. Mind over matter. So beautiful though. She has the pool all to herself. There she goes. I'm not going there because it's cold as hell.
This waterfall, I want to say, is probably my favorite waterfall.
The locals call it a small waterfall, but coming from somebody who doesn't see waterfalls that often,
It's actually pretty
pretty
big.
nice.
Yeah.